Hello. So in this video we will see how can we calculate simple interest when time is given in months. Okay. So here in last video I told you about the basics of simple interest, what is simple interest and what are the concepts. Okay. So here we know that the sum which we are borrowing, okay, that is called principal. So here principal is rupees 5,000. P is rupees 5,000. Okay. And next we write what is rate. Rate here is 4% per annum. Rate is 4%. And now we come to time. What is time here? The main concept is time here, that when time is given in months. So you have time 2 years and 3 months. Okay. So now here we need to find that how can we calculate the simple interest. First of all, we will convert this time in years. Now we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay. So 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 years. Okay. But here we have 3 months is equal to 3 by 12 years. 3 by 12 years mean 1 by 4 years. So here we can write 2 plus 1 by 4 years. Okay. We need to convert the months in years. And how do we convert? By dividing months by 12. Okay. Whenever you will be having months, you will just divide it by 12. And then total years are 2 years plus 1 by 4 years. So we can write it as 9 by 4 years. Okay. Next, what is simple interest? Simple interest is principal into rate into time upon 100. Okay. 9 by 4 we will write as this. Okay. So this is, we will cancel out this and this, and we got 450 rupees. This is simple interest and we need to calculate the amount. So if they are asking for amount, we will calculate amount. Amount is principal plus simple interest. That means 5,000 plus 450. That means 5450 rupees. So after 2 years 3 months, the amount will be 5,004 years 450. Okay. So I hope you liked it. If you are liking it, please subscribe to my channel. And for more videos of these type of questions, concepts, please follow my channel. Thank you so much.